Thanks. Wait for some time. We'll try to reach one. Yeah, I'll call it Ram.